When you take pictures on your phone, it'll often add GPS data. This is great for many reasons, but one of them is the ability to look up where the picture was taken. This is really easy inside of Mylio Photos. In this case, I had a chance to visit a great museum, and I was telling a friend about it, but I couldn't remember where it was. When I see the GPS pin on the picture, I can double-click and open. On the photo, you should see a compass icon. If you don't, just go under the More menu and make sure that Show PhotoExplorer is enabled. You might find it under the Quick Action section or on its own. You can then click on it and choose to explore this location on the web. If this is the first time you're doing this, you'll be asked to choose a map provider. In this case, you'll get an approximate location, but sometimes it can be more specific. Let's go try another photo from that trip. Here, you see it looked up the museum that I visited. If I scroll down, I get all sorts of information. I could send this details to my phone to quickly get driving directions, look up what's nearby, get turn-by-turn directions for where I'm at right now, or even do things like check the price of the museum or its hours. This is a great way to find out more details about a particular location. Effectively, your current photos can make brand new memories, and it's a great way as you're exploring your library to look up more information about where you were when you took a picture.